Hey there! What if I told you that in just one day you could hike through villages, taste local coffee, and stand before one of Tanzania's tallest waterfalls? Yes, welcome to our day trip to Materuni Waterfall, just 30 minutes from Moshi with African Scenic Safaris. Today we are taking you to Materuni Waterfall, just 30 minutes from Moshi on the slope of Mount Kilimanjaro. The name Materuni comes from the local Chagga village, and a visit here is more than just the waterfall. It's about culture, flavors, and unforgettable moments on the slope of Mount Kilimanjaro. Our visit was during the rainy season, so the trail was muddy and a little slippery. But does that mean we stopped? No way. We kept moving because that's part of the adventure. And honestly, the mud just made it more fun. Everyone was laughing, helping each other along, and turning the hike into its own little adventure. On drier days, the walk is much easier, but no matter the season, good shoes are a must. Along the hike, the scenery was stunning. Green hills, small streams, banana trees, and the coffee farms everywhere. You don't just walk through nature here, you walk through the village life. On the way, we met local artists selling their handmade crafts. Some of our guests picked up souvenirs. It's a nice way to support the community. Then came the chameleons. Local guides had them. And of course, some of our guests tried holding them. A few even gave the chameleon a kiss. Why not? It's all part of the experience, right? And the welcome doesn't stop there. Along the path, the locals were singing and playing guitar for us. The joy and energy were contagious. And then the moment we are waiting for is here, Materuni Waterfall. It's so peaceful the first time you see it, with water falling nearly 80 meters into a natural pool. Our guests dipped their feet, some went all in, and the spray on your face makes you feel alive. Just to spoil it for you, get ready to be amazed from the very first glance. After the waterfall, we hiked back and headed straight to the village for one of the day's highlights, coffee making. This is Arabica coffee, grown on the slopes of Kilimanjaro, and the Chagga people have been preparing it the traditional way for generations. Our guide shared a bit of history, how coffee came to the region, how it became part of the village life, and the rituals passed down through families. I could tell you more, but honestly, you have to come, see, and learn for yourself to get the full experience. Then our guests got hands-on pounding the beans, roasting, and grinding. The best part, it's all done while singing. Fun, interactive, full of energy, and expect to laugh a lot. Because, whoa, the happy faces are amazing. And of course, tasting it. Honestly, this might be the freshest, sweetest cup of coffee you will ever try. I mean, it's natural, sweet. After the coffee, we had our guests treated to a traditional Chagga lunch. Rice, banana stew, vegetable bowl, beef sauce, simple, fresh, and exactly what you want after a hike. Our guests were curious, so before heading home, they stopped by a local shop to try mbege, the traditional banana beer. A little sweet, a little tangy, and a completely unique. You won't find anything like it back home. Its taste can be different for everyone, depending on the experience. Go ahead, give it a try at least once. It's all part of the experience. And so our day ended, with everyone having a story to tell. Materuni is an experience you won't want to miss when you're around Moshi. Join African Scenic Safaris for your adventure. Before you go, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more expert videos on African Scenic Safaris.